Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little bit more with some MiniVerse and sharing some information and having a look. So in my first video about MiniVerse, I showed you kind of how big the capsules were after you opened them. But I wanted to show you and open with you two capsules today. This one is the cafe. It's the small of the food collections. And then this one is actually one of the spring. It's the Easter one. And with the holiday ones, they do show you on the wrapper what is inside. But on the cafes, they do not. So the only ones that you'll know in advance what you're getting is the holidays and the appliances. So I also, when I wasn't even looking for these because the website at Walmart said they weren't in stock. And so I was just looking for this one because I'm wanting one particular, the pickles, which hopefully is in this capsule based on the pinhole technique, which I will explain to you in a few minutes. So I really want the Wonka chocolate bar set that's this, and I know that it comes in the ham. And so if you have strong fingernails, okay, I'm going to show you what I do. So on this seam right here, if you run your nail across this seam, you can kind of break it and then peel this down to kind of peek. And you know, if you see the gold, you struck gold. But if it's like on this one, if it's pink, then, well, or purple, then you know it's the regular one. So there were, I believe, 4 hams at the store and none of them were gold. So I was upset, but I was happy that I did get this one. This one is the Easter basket, which is the one that I kind of wanted the most, other than the cupcakes, which I'll go back this week and get that one. Maybe it'll still be there. I think it's helping out that they're not on their website, but these don't come in like a regular Make It Mini box at my stores. They come in like a really, really long one. It's probably like 4 or 5 of the regular size boxes of these full, and they have like 4, I think 3 or 4 like chutes that they come down in the box. So it's a little different, and they are not on the end cap, but on the side of the end cap. So if y'all are looking for them, check that way rather than looking for the regular box, because that's how they are in my store. So they could be different in yours, and only one of my stores even has them. So, okay. Now, let's talk about this whole pinhole situation with the regular MiniVerse. On the wrappers, okay, if you look, let me show you. If you look right here, you see that tiny, tiny pinhole right there. So these pinholes could be here, here, here. They can be here, 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 here. They can be anywhere within this section and anywhere in this section. And if you look, they do have like diagrams online that tells you, okay, this pinhole is this pinhole is this, and so on. So yes, it kind of takes the fun out of it, but at the same time, after you've collected so many and gotten a couple of duplicates, you get kind of frustrated. So if you want to get an item that you've really been looking for and haven't found, then that's how you'll be able to get it. It looks like my little mini world light turned off. Okay, that's fine. Anyway, so this dot right here should be you can see that right there. Should be for the pickle spears, which I fell in love with them as soon as I saw them. Had to have it, and have not been able to find one. So hopefully it's in here, and you can kind of, but not really hear like the little, I don't know what they're, mustard seeds maybe, that, or the, whatever it is, the little floaters that go inside of it. So enough talking, let's give this a whirl. So that's layer one. And I'm doing it this way for several of my friends have no idea what this is, and maybe you don't either, so I'm just trying to share. So that's the second layer. And you see on here it has like all the different things that you can get, so you don't know what's in here unless you do the pinhole technique, which hopefully, I'm hoping that it worked. So, okay. So in here we have a thank you bag. This is all squunched down. This is, oh yeah, this is definitely going to be the pickles because I can hear them. So this is Have a Sunny Day. These bags got hammered, boy. Okay, this is Happy Sun Farms, made fresh. It's interesting because now that I think about it, I'm seeing pinholes on these bags too. And then this is the utensils. Happy Sun Farms. And this one says ice, 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 ice. So I could be wrong. It also, oh, look at there. There's the label for the pickles. Oh my goodness, you guys, you have no idea. I'm so excited. But it also comes with instructions because this is resin. It is toxic. This is not for children without adult supervision. So let's just make that known. And this is also for people who have the funds, you know, to buy them with purchasing power, not children, most children. And then this is the MiniVerse. This is the recipe guide. And you can see there's the s'mores and the baked potatoes, which I also want. These are really cute. Birthday cookies, chicken soup, matcha latte. There's the pickles. You guys, look at that. Come on. And then mango popsicles, banana berry smoothie, the choco bear pop. These would be really cute too. The dragon fruit bowl, which I saw several of these. And then the bagel with lox. And the blue raz snow cone. So this is the pickles. So let's have a look. We'll start with this bag. And it is the vinegar. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. We're on the right path. This is the utensils. This one comes with the big spoon. And, of course, the tweezers. And this is the top for the dome. Pop this in so you can use these for a display, which I don't. And then in the trash we have, there's the pickles, you guys. Look at these. These are so cute. open it and look. I wanted these so bad. And I just learned about the pin thing the other day. So here's the pickle. Look at the attention to detail. I mean, you see the little bumps that's on it. Hopefully that's showing good for you. And you can see even the seeds in here. These are amazing. And I want to get the hamburger as well because I have an idea. Or should I say hamburgers? And then this is what I heard shaking around. It is mustard seed. See them in there. And then our mason jar. So cute. I have a couple of these. The mason jar. And instead of saying ball or whatever on it, it says mini. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm glad. So, in this circumstance, the pinhole technique did indeed work. So, not guaranteeing in any shape, form, or fashion for anybody, but in this circumstance, it worked. Now, this one is the spring. It's considered a holiday, so I know that this one is the Easter basket. So let's give this a whirl. It has the zip strips, but they don't really ever work for me, so I'm trying to make it a little easier, which this one's not wanting to really cooperate at all. Okay. Let's go. Now, let's have a look. Now, these balls are purple, so they're pretty. Okay. Thank you. Have an excellent day. Have a happy day. And this is, okay, it does have something in it, but it really feels empty. And then here's the Spring Series Collector's Guide and the instructions, which go in the garbage. Here is the tabletop. And the bottom for these tables are purple. It's pretty. Because with the Valentine's, they were the rose gold. For Christmas, they were gold, with the exception of the Buddy one, and his was green. And then normal everyday ones are white. I'll show you the gold one. Here's the gold. I have them in a little container over here. I don't know where my Buddy one is. I think I have it set up somewhere. Anyway. Okay, what else? This is going to be our utensils. Sun-baked sweets. Sun-baked sweets, the little chick. That's really cute. Keep it cool. Oh, there's a bunch of bags in this. Jump into spring. This is cute. I think I might not say the word cute enough. I'm sorry, guys. And have a happy day. So, oh, I just bumped my phone. I'm actually going to cut these open because I want to try and do something with this packaging, since it's the special ones. So, okay, and here we have the packing material, shred. That's cute. Let me move this stickers. Okay. And then jump into spring. No, this is the eggs. You know, guys, look at this. Sorry about that. Look at this. Open it. Oh my goodness, look at that. These look cracked. I'm actually worked in the hatchery in the egg business for several years, and my husband as well. He actually still does. He hatches